Hey everyone, welcome to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. But now let's get right in today's topic, which is regarding Pepe. We're going to be analyzing the charts, see what is happening and where the price of Pepe can really be headed as we approach the weekend. So if we're looking at the price of Pepe right now, you guys can see there are 5 zeros in front of the price, currently sitting at 153. We're down about 3.4% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative, also down about 1% in Bitcoin and Ethereum comparative over the last 24 hours. Looking at its market cap, currently sitting at $643.4 million, and the 24-hour trading volume currently sitting at 223.9 million. And of course, if we're looking at the Pepe's Twitter, you guys can see 283,000 followers. 283,000 followers in just a matter of a month is really impressive. So that is a big plus point that we want to be looking at, because the community is growing at a tremendous rate. And not only that, guys, if we're looking at its holder count from yesterday, you guys can see we are increasing towards the upside. So, as I've said in my other videos, I look at the holder count because it really gives me a better understanding as to the amount of interest, if there is any left. And, without a doubt, we know that there's a lot of interest in Pepe, and, the more and more new holders are coming, the better it is for the community. So that is a big plus point that we are seeing right now. But now let's shift our focus towards the price, see what is happening and where we could be headed as we approach the weekend. But as always, you guys know that anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So you guys can see market cap 634.4 million. But now let's make things bigger and see what is happening with the price. So if we're looking at the price right now, something very interesting is happening. So mainly, we've been trading sideways around this range since yesterday. Not much has happened, and one thing I want to share with you guys is Bitcoin has seen a retracement within its price. And of course, every single altcoin right now is being impacted by this Bitcoin move. So we'd expect, of course, Pepe to go lower than yesterday's price, but I'm really impressed as to how strong the support really is holding. And this support dates back to, of course, May 4th. You guys can see, literally, you cannot make this up, where we were being supported by. We're being supported by this level, which was back on May 4th. And I really like how, due to even Bitcoin seeing a little bit of a consolidation within its price, of course, there was a fake out compared to yesterday, but we are seeing Pepe hold really strong, which is a really good sign. But now, one thing I want you guys to keep in mind is, if we end up losing this support, there's a high chance for us to retest that next level of support at this 1340 cents mark. And I mentioned this to you guys yesterday as well. And that would be a drop of about 14 to 15%. And that is definitely on the table right now, considering Bitcoin is in this zone. Of course, if Bitcoin goes back into 61.8, we're going to be having a total different conversation. And also, Bitcoin dominance is decreasing, which is, a good thing for altcoins. If Bitcoin dominance was still quite high, we would have seen a bloodbath across the board. Bitcoin has dropped about 4% in its price. That would have meant altcoins would have been dropping 8 to 10% right now. So what's next for Pepe? Because we've seen Pepe over the weekends. As we approach the weekends, we've really seen it do quite well. So could this week be the time where we break out of this? Like I've said to you guys before, and I'll say it again, we've been seeing for about almost a week and a half now, the price staying below this level of resistance. And I'm starting to see quite a similar pattern happening with a lot of different meme coins. The ones that I can think of on top of my head is Bob, a Mill Lady, as well as, of course, Pepe. So what I'm getting at now is that, all these projects are correlated with the price of Pepe. We can see the charts speak for themselves. All of them are facing this massive level of resistance on its upside, and that is stopping it from breaking out. So are we about to see a consolidation phase that lasts, really long time? I don't think that's going to be the case. Of course, we would like, as Pepe, community members, to really see the price ripping back to this level of resistance, actually breaking above here. and that would of course mark the first time since May 9th that we have broken out of this level of resistance. But we need something like this to happen, break out of this level of resistance and actually close above here, not just quickly go up and go down. That's not what we need. We need to see strength in the price, and in order for us to see a strength, we need to hold above that resistance, and when it switched to support, that's what we need to be seeing. And that's where we could talk about all-time highs once again. And if I bring out the measuring tool for everyone, let's look at how far we are from all-time highs. We are about 65% from the top right now towards all-time highs, and I'm very confident right now that, you know, we are going to see this all-time high sooner than a lot of people think. And you know, my stance on Pepe, I really do see this project taking over Shiba Inu, and that is going to be a huge you know, winning case in terms of Pepe as a community and the project itself. And when it comes to meme coins, and as you guys know, I've explained this to you guys before, Pepe has, you know, gained so much traction in such a short period of time, and you know, it's really coming there for Shiba Inu, and Shiba Inu investors are scared. And you know, a lot of community members even agree with me on this. You know, Shiba Inu has been seeing, since honestly the launch of Pepe, has not seen any sort of gain within its price, because you know, people are not as optimistic because the valuation is so high. And not only that, as I've told you guys before, people are selling their other coins to get into Pepe, which again is not a good thing to do. I've said this to you guys before, you never want to be FOMOing in. But a lot of these meme coins like Dogecoin and Shiba Inu, we had a lot of money flowing in from them, those holders, into Pepe, which obviously triggered even more of a FOMO happening within the price. So you know, this is what is the current state on you know, the meme coins themselves. But you know, main target right now, guys, is this level of resistance. I cannot stress this enough. If you are a holder, you want to have your eyes glued on this level of resistance. We have about a 35.8% move towards the upside. You guys know, when meme coins really gain traction, things can start moving up quite fast. So of course your patience is going to be needed, and of course if you guys have already done your due diligence and research, then guess what, just all you need to have is patience, patience, patience. That is what's going to pay you off. And remember, Shiba Inu, there was a time where it consolidated for months and then it freaking went crazy late 2021. I remember that like it was yesterday, and some people became extremely wealthy. So that's what we need to consider before we are, of course, you know, start FUDing and stuff like that. But I'm really liking what I'm seeing here. I like how this support is holding, but of course we would love to see the support hold, because if we were to go lower, we could see a 20% further dip right now happen. That is definitely on the table. I know no one wants to hear this right now, but you guys know on the Crypto ZX channel, we speak nothing but facts, and that is on the table right now. But as I say that, if Bitcoin goes back into the 61.8 Fibonacci retracement level, we could see that be a triggering effect for Pepe to start making its way back up to that level of resistance. And of course, we still haven't seen Coinbase. When Coinbase lists this, guys, I really do believe we're in for an all-time high and bigger exposure than ever, because remember, I've told you guys this before, Coinbase is a fiat gateway. You know, there's millions and millions of users that only use Coinbase. They're not familiar with Uniswap or other exchanges. They just stick on one platform. So that's going to open so many more doors. And Coinbase's competitors are all listing it. So you guys know what's coming. But of course, that's just my own opinion. Love you all. See you tomorrow. And also let me know down below what you guys think, where you could see the price going. And yeah, we'll see you guys tomorrow. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.